Hello family, welcome back to my channel, See Ghana with Idea. Thank you all for the love and the support. If you're a newbie here, please subscribe to my channel. Go with me to Tsenku Waterfall in Accra, located at Dodowa. Thank you, loved ones.
Traffic share, I don't go. All of foreign assets.
Okay. Wow.
I'll come out to you.
Makoma to me. Okay, so we are on our way to Tsenku Waterfall, and I got a lift on a motorbike. Whoa, man, this is my first time on a motorbike. Yes. Gosh, it's crazy. I'll take precautions. I had to wear an helmet. Okay, so we are here.
Accra.
Hey, you do it.
Accra. Yes, it was 7 at best.
What? Hello family, this is Ayabia. Welcome to my channel. Currently I'm at Dodowa Tsenku Waterfall. Guess what? I didn't even know Accra had a waterfall. I can't wait to see it. So stay tuned and let's have some fun. So I'm trying to cross the bridge to the other side to take some shots. Welcome to Tsenku Waterfall.
Beleza. Lá, isso é fuel. Vamos pegar também.
much for watching. I'm leaving Tsenku Waterfall now. Please, if you're a newbie here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I thank you all. I love you all for the support. Bye bye.
So when will you come again?
Let's say next engine. Maybe if you have a program here.